Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to leave aliens in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and leave an aliens in Dark War Survival. So to do so you need to of course be in an aliens. We have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can go and join an aliens. And your of course watchtower needs to be level 8 or higher. At the moment I'm having some problems with my aliens, so I cannot go and join one or leave one. But on the screen, on the main screen, you will have the aliens, which will be a flag icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Open it, tap leave, and confirm that you left of course the aliens. If you cannot leave your aliens, if your aliens leader R5, you must transfer leadership before you can leave, and then you can freely leave. In the bottom right corner also, if you want to tell everybody that you're leaving, you have the aliens chat, as you can see. We have report, jungle aliens, etc. Go there and you can leave it there. One tip before leaving, claim any available aliens rewards, as you'll lose current aliens buffs and won't be able to participate in events until you join in other aliens. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.